Alright, it's Saturday. After lunch, I spent a little time cleaning up the block. Got it pretty clean. I've cut the ridge and honed the cylinders. And I got a crank back from the machine shop. It's 1010. Had the heads rebuilt. Bought some bearings. And now we can begin assembly. After we check the crank out and make sure it's nice and clean and all that. Little man's here, but just now he's on errand. He'll be back in a moment. Oh yeah, and the weather report. It's like 68 degrees, breeze blowing leaves into my shop. That's okay, I think I'll leave the door open. Alright, the little man and I have checked the rods and mains, and it is indeed 10 under. Just exactly like we want it. I have noticed they didn't bevel the oil holes, so I guess I'm gonna have to do that. But that's okay, I can do it.
Hey Dad.
What?
Does it matter what you're videoing?
What?
What are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh. I messed up which side.
You just didn't get them out of order, did you?
No, I just messed up which
Well, look.
side.
There's an arrow right there. See it?
Uh-huh.
Make sure it's pointing the right way. Well, he distracted me with a question. I've got the crank oil and holes beveled, for lack of a better term. But I discovered, right when I was getting ready to put the crank in, the machine shop gave me the wrong bearings. I got a 10 under crank and standard bearings. So that ain't gonna do me no good. But as usual, I got something else to work on. The man brought the MG back because his headlights don't work. But I discovered, if you go right here, took the high beam, the headlights work. So I suspect the headlights low beam is burned out or either something. So now I'm in the process of figuring out how to remove these bezels so I can take the headlight ball back. Kind of a sweet little car here. I also noticed it must have a loose wire on the starter because it took quite a few tries to get it to run. Well, I'm distracted once again, doggone it. I tested the bulb. The bulb is good. But I don't have time to check to see if I got voltage on the low beam side because I got to go look at a couple 47 Chevy trucks. You know how it is. Look, 3 weeks, no flat tire. Well, we went and looked at some old trucks. I guess we're gonna pass, but I'm having fun with this one. Yeah. Not sure if I ever mentioned how much I like this truck. But I like it. And I can't remember how to get the hood open. What the heck? There we go. Anyway, I got the hood open. I like it. Interesting.